Kennedy. Spot number 1, your TQ, Mr. Steve Mazer. All right, guys, we got 8 minutes on the clock. Need a nice clean start. Marshall's ready, driver's ready. Less than 5. Here we go. Nice clean start, clean start, clean start. Oh, Johnny B getting turned around. All right. Everyone is live and counting. Across the line is Mr. Mazer, followed by Ronaldo, Sean Dupuis Slayer, Johnny B, Paul Medina, NJ. Mazer leading them around for lap number 2 over the cross count. Double into the donut. Followed by Ronaldo, Sean Slayer, Johnny B, Jay, and Paul. Last lap so far is your leader. Steve with a 15.28 now. Ronaldo to 2, he's got a 16.04. Slayer now up to 3, 15.94. Sean at 4, 15.95. Johnny B, and 5, 15.85. Jay Kennedy 6, 15.60. And Mr. Paul Medina, rounding out the field, 16.40. Your leader Steve on a 38.811. Ronaldo 2.8 seconds back. He's on a 36.805. Slayer 36.807. Sean 35.801. Johnny B 35.805. Jay Kennedy 34.806. And Paul 36.801. Go, Paul. And right now, Steve Mazer extended his lead. He's got a couple corners on the field. Here comes Ronaldo, followed very closely by
everyone.
Sean Dupuis, Slayer, and Johnny B, and Jay Kennedy.
Ooh.
So very tight grouping, 2 through 7.
Yeah. It's all right.
Now Sean now moving up to second spot.
Yeah,
so we got Mazer, Dupuis, Slayer, Kennedy, Benedict, Vega dropping down to 6, and Medina in 7. 15.4. Oh, but Dupuis with a rollover, Trevor out to help. 15.4. 15.5. Now Jay Kennedy up to 3rd, so we got Mazer, Slayer, Kennedy, Dupuis, Benedict, Vega, and Medina. 2:30 down, 5:30 to go, guys. 16.6, 16.8. 15.8. Mazer through the crosstown, double. Nice and smooth into the donut. Coming up on some lap traffic. Guys, if you see Mr. Mazer in the cat coming up on you, give him some room. He is the race leader. So we got Mazer, Slayer, Kennedy in 3rd, Benedict up to 4, Dupuis dropping to 5, Ronaldo 6, Paul Medina right on the field. Last lap now goes to John Benedict with a 15.22 in the record ride. Uh-oh, I think we'll be ordering a cat up pretty soon. Johnny driving Trevor's Schumacher. 16.6 are pretty good. 15.3.
Oh, what the fuck?
Mazer, Slayer, Benedict in 3rd, Kennedy 4, Dupuis 5, Vega 6, and Medina. Mazer on a 33.805, Slayer 32.811, 9.1 into the gap, Benedict. 1 second behind the Slayer, Kennedy.
Come on.
2 behind John. So 2, 3, and 4 tight grouping.
Oh, sorry, Slayer.
Still holding that fast lap.
Right.
Now John up to 2nd, getting past the Slayer. He's like
Trevor!
4 minutes left.
Mazer, Benedict, Slayer, Dupuis, Kennedy, Vega, Medina.
Sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
18.4.
I'm so fucked. Oh, there goes my race.
16.5. Your leader getting a little squirrely on the straightaway. Johnny B, give it up the lap.
That's the 3rd time it popped off.
16.1. Mazer, Benedict, Slayer, Dupuis, Kennedy, Vega, Medina. 5 down, 3 to go. 5 down, 3 to go. Mazer, 32-802. Johnny B, 31. Slayer, 31-815. Now Ronaldo getting by Slayer.
Don't break.
So Mazer, Benedict, Vega, Slayer, Kennedy, Dupuis, Medina.
15-8.
240 left, 240 left.
15-8. 15, 16-1. 15-8. 16-0.
So Schumacher, Associated, Losi, Associated, and Suzuki.
15-8.
The British invasion.
17-4. 15-7.
Mazer out to a comfortable lead. Johnny B in second. Ronaldo 7.2 into the gap. Ronaldo. Let's see if Ronaldo can gain some ground. Johnny B with a bobble beginning of the straightaway. Here comes Ronaldo. I'm sure that'll help Ronaldo. 4.2 now.
15-2.
So Vega trying to close the gap. 145, guys. 145 on the master clock. Mazer, Benedict, Vega. Slayer 0.9 back from Vega. So Slayer trying to get to the podium. 2.2 now, Ronaldo. So Ronaldo is reeling in Johnny B. So Mazer, Benedict, Ronaldo. Let's see this time. 2 seconds, Ronaldo.
15-0.
Mazer 32.812. Johnny B 38.01. Ronaldo 38.03. Slayer 38.04.
15.
So Slayer battling with Ronaldo, his buddy. These two guys duke it out in every race.
16-2. 18-4.
Slayer trying to get the podium, catch up to Ronaldo and get by. 50 seconds, guys. 50 seconds on the master clock.
15-4. 17-5.
Now Slayer getting by Ronaldo. So we got Mazer, Benedict, Slayer, Vega, Dupuis, Kennedy, and Medina. 30 seconds, driver.
Oh, God damn it.
Watch the crossover. Looks like it's clear.
18-5.
25 seconds. Fast lap now goes to Sean Dupuis to 15.03.
18-2.
15 seconds. Mazer, Benedict, Vega.
15-4.
Ronaldo, 1.3 back from John.
17-4.
6 seconds. 5, 4,
Oh.
3, 2, 1. That is time, drivers.
Oh, son of a... There you go, John.
Put your hands together for Mr.